I am now.
Why did I give your mother the weekend off? Ever since she and Bonnie fell in love, all she thinks about is herself.
He's not doing it.
Hello? Yes, this is Cyrus Rose.
Of course he doesn't do it now. There you go.
Gossip Girl is brought to you in part by Target. Expect more, pay less.
Hello, I'm a Mac, and I have an incredibly easy-to-use PC. What is that, buddy? Well, it's just a little legal
Before
copy.
you just had it
Simple,
perfect
much
timing.
more simple and intuitive than your Mac. Requires a little explanation. Did your legal copy just grow? Yeah, you see, usually PCs require a lot of regular maintenance, downloading security patches,
Hunter.
virus scans.
Whoa!
Say, hey, this
Sneeze on me.
is the easiest thing in the world.
Hunter.
Watch this. PCs are now 100% trouble-free. Whoa, look at that. That's a lot of legal copy.
Started coming down to your farm, and now is the perfect time to start. It's not too late to get farm perfect skin. Go to CWTV.com/countdown to start your countdown today with the Clean and Clear Advantage acne conditioner. And while you're there, enter for your chance to win a 90210 style free prom party for you and all your best friends. Countdown is on Prom 2009. Brought to you by Clean and Clear. 90210 Tuesdays at 9
2 minutes.
Central on the CW.
That's fine.